I bet they can smell the fish. I bet they smell what I can. It's made of like fish and chips now.
Yeah.
But I bet they can smell the food that's cooking in the Casper. That'd be nicer than this dried stuff. A bit of fish. Oh God, I've done a sandwich now. When we saw Double Mall, I meant to get your sandwich. Mummy, let's go. Elongated wing feathers, mistaken blue.
Looks grey from a distance. Elongated wing features, mistaken for tail.
The feathers at the back, hanging down, they're his wing feather, they're not his tail feather.
I see you.
In case you're wondering, Mum.
It's quite
a long way back, isn't it? That was that making that noise. Yes. He was like he was gargling like that.
Ooh, what a big gargle.
Oh my God, I wouldn't have thought that. That was quite loud. That was quite impressive, wasn't it?
He uses them spikes if someone tries to hurt him. He sticks them up to stop them fighting.
Yeah.